let's have a look how to operate a DeWALT heavy duty staple gun. Now, if you don't have the heavy duty version and you have the 5-in-1 version, this will be exactly the same. So I'm surmising you do know how to load in your staples. So once you have your staples loaded, and if you have any safety on like that, take off the safety, get your wood or whatever you need to staple. So with our piece of wood, now what you can see, a lot of people, so what we want to do is we want to get our piece of wood, and what a lot of people have problem with is that the staple doesn't go all the way, and this is down to just pressing like that, and what happens is the stapler, as you press, and the pressure pushes the stapler off the surface, leaving the staple exposed like that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you get over the top of the stapler, press down, and then trigger the handle, and there you go, nice snug into the surface. If you don't get any pressure on the surface, you can do that, but make sure you get that pressure down, otherwise the stapler will jump off the surface and you won't get them staples pushed in. So hopefully that helps you how to properly use the stapler, the DeWALT stapler. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.